Beware of Sonic special attack. Try landing the Sonic wind. Are you okay? Use the somersault.
Sonic Team.
This is the huge meteorite. Beware of falling meteorites.
He's such an evil doctor. I want to yell at him.
Memorize Rouge's attack pattern. When she stops, that's the time to attack.
That's a 10-4. Cargo secured on board and... What?
The space colony will be entering the Earth's atmosphere soon. We have to destroy it now.
What was that all about? And look what you did to my emerald!
For some reason, I'm not getting a signal from the 6 remaining Chaos Emeralds. Maybe Eggman took the emeralds into outer space.
Activating that program has caused the space colony to fall out of its
Shadow,
orbit. Now it's on a crash course with the Earth. Sonic Team.
Tails, I found the control room.
Take that!
Hints are also useful in finding emeralds. Looks like I'm winning, as usual.
This time, I'll take your lives, as well as the Chaos Emerald. I call...
Check out kart racing.
I was so scared. What hint?
Here we go again!
You can choose various settings.
Impossible. I am the ultimate life.
Do you know what type of TV you are using? Once you have locked on, release B button to fire the homing missiles. Your Chow gets prizes for races they win.
Get down!
That will do.
Use the D-pad to change the camera angle. This will let you watch your Chow from all angles. Beware of falling objects. Be really careful. If you find the level up item, then you can do the light dash.
Team up and go to the colony's core to stop the power of the Chaos Emerald.
Rats.
Select a stage.
I've never been here before. I'm going sightseeing.
Maybe I didn't try hard enough.
How's this?
He won't escape me this time.
Chaos control!
Your Chow gets prizes for races they win.
I'll make you eat those words.
Citizens of Earth, lend me your ears and listen to me very carefully. My name is Dr. Eggman, the world's greatest scientist, and soon to be the world's greatest ruler. Now witness the beginning of the greatest empire of all time.
It's the size of this walnut, except way smaller. And guess what? Here's what my dong looks like. That's right, baby. All points, no quills, no pillows. Look at that, it looks like 2 balls in a bong. He fucked my wife, so guess what? I'm gonna fuck the Earth. That's right, this is what you get. My super laser piss. Except I'm not gonna piss on the Earth. I'm gonna go higher. I'm pissing on the moon. How do you like that, Obama? I pissed on the moon, you idiot! You have 23 hours before the piss droplets hit the fucking Earth. Now get out of my fucking sight before I piss on you.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Use the D-pad to change the camera angle. This will let you watch your
That's it. There is a way to stop the energy. We have to use your emerald.
Awakened from a deep sleep that lasted over 50 years.
attack Shadow when he reappears using
Emerald
chaos
records.
control.
The capsule clears the colony. There!
Use the homing attack when the electrical shield is off.
I'm Shadow the Hedgehog, the one and only
Once again,
ultimate life
the
form.
Master Emerald
something
was
good.
stolen from Angel Island.
Your Chow will plant the seeds. If you find them, give them to your Chow.
Yeah!
Look, look! Flowers are blooming around that Chow.
It's a space transporter. The destination has been set to Ark. Wasn't that
I
space
received a
colony
message
shut
from
down
Rouge to
over
follow
50
that
years
plane.
ago?
The pilot is in possession of the last Chaos Emerald.
Doesn't matter. It's my mission to find out what he's up to.
I did that to prevent the Master Emerald from being stolen, you idiot. If it's in pieces, I can restore it. And by the way, that's not your emerald.
Use the somersault to defeat the spiked.
What the?
Ow! That hurts!
Got it.
This
I'll go
is
first
Chamber
and-
of
Sonic
Wind.
Team.
Do you see the wind altar?
Amy Rose is here.
Where could my emerald be?
Can you see the step below you? Try hovering to get there. Get more speed, use the mind attack to defeat
Please enter your ID password.
He was a strange.
Shadow?
But it's been deactivated for some time now.
Be careful! Falling meteorites! If you get hit, it'll hurt! Try different actions with different items.
I like running better.
Beware of Rouge's special attack. Be ready to be in mid-air with
What in the world is this? This can't be right. Just what is Shadow, anyway?
Use L and R triggers to look around. But you knew this already.
I've gotta find Sonic. He's in jail.
Let me tell you about Eggman and Tails game. This is Ghost Train Mountain.
I can sense a piece of the emerald is nearby.
Hey, get out of my way! Sonic's escaping!
All I can see is water. Where is my home?
I'm Knuckles the Echidna. Just call me Knuckles.